Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. And this is my second small use case I have built by using Power Apps. In this app, we can onboard any employee by using its functionalities. And as you can see, there are two buttons. One is add new employee, through which we can add new employee in our company. And second button is all onboarded employee, where we can see all the employee details we have onboarded for our company. So let's start and let's see what functionality I have built to onboard any employee. So let me click on the add new employee. As we can see, this is very first step personal information where we can enter employee information. So let me fill these information. So once this information is filled, we'll move to the second step by clicking on the next button. And the second step is to fill employee work experience. So let me fill this information as well. So we have successfully filled the work experience as well. Now move to the next and very last step, which is onboarding information, where we can select the onboarding date and time and can also upload employee updated resume here. For now, I am using any sample, but we can upload a correct resume or in any format. But for now, I am using Excel for an example. So once these information are filled, we can check it out again to check if all the information are correct. Once we have filled all the information and click on the save button, this information will be stored in our dashboard and which will be stored after this button. So once I'll click on this button, all onboarded employee, we can see that employee details are updated in our dashboard. The next functionality I have built, maybe in future, employee requested to change some information in the database and maybe HR wants to update something. So how can we do that? So I have built one functionality. Once we'll click on this edit symbol, we can see the employee details here and we can change his or her information as requested. So let me change his name and let's see if this information reflecting in our dashboard or not. Rest of the information will be same. Let's go to next, and click on the save button. Let's see if this information is reflecting in our dashboard or not. As we can see, the name of the employee is updated and can see the updated name here. The second functionality, again, if HR wants to add new employee or onboard new employee from here directly, we can click it here and we can onboard new employee from here as well. And this is the back button from which we can directly navigate to the previous page. So this is what I have built. I hope you like this app and this use case. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.